Alrighty, you hear the H10 ticking over there. We have a Yark Lux Air product, micro channel condenser coil, and there's a Yark that I put in. I'm fixing to show you all why I quit selling Yark. I've got my testos on this unit. This unit's running fine. That's my standing pressure. With the unit off, it's equalizing, but it's like 40 or something. Grab the old H10 here. And there you go. Another micro channel bites the dust. That's about the 12th or 13th one for me. But I didn't install this one. I did install this one. I'm waiting on that one to do it any day. This one I did not put in. So call it, check it to make sure it's under warranty, and we'll get it swapped out. But that's a micro channel for you. Let's do it again, just for kicks. There you go. Alright, well, I thought you might enjoy that, guys. Another micro channel bites the dust. That's why you don't sell micro channels. Stay away from the micro channel. Y'all have a good one.